Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Do you have a problem with the touchpad on your laptop computer? It's possible that this is only caused by a misconfiguration, software glitch, or some other minor problem that can be easily fixed. In this video, I will recommend 3 solutions that will help you resolve this issue and get the touchpad working again on your Windows 11 laptop. Let's go. Is your touchpad unresponsive? Well, it might be accidentally disabled. Many laptops have function keys with touchpad icons that, when pressed, can quickly toggle the touchpad on or off. In my case, I can quickly enable or disable touchpad with the F6 key. Should your function key have a different assigned action, try pressing Fn and the touchpad shortcut key together to access the settings. If you can't find a dedicated function key, try searching for touchpad settings in the Windows search bar. Make sure the touchpad is enabled, and that the Leave Touchpad on When Mouse is Connected option is checked. This ensures that the touchpad remains active even when external pointers are connected. Aside from checking your laptop's touchpad setting, a simple restart can also resolve temporary software glitches and restore touchpad functionality. To ensure your touchpad is working optimally, check for Windows updates. Microsoft frequently releases updates that include the latest touchpad drivers, especially for newer Windows versions. To manually check, search for Windows Update Settings. Click Check for Updates, and download and install any available updates. While Windows updates often include the latest touchpad drivers, you can manually update or reinstall them for additional optimization. To do this, search and open the Device Manager configuration window. Keep in mind that the touchpad driver's name can vary by laptop model, so consult your manufacturer's manual for accuracy. Typically, it's found under the Human Interface Devices category. For my laptop, it's Asus Precision Touchpad. Then right-click on the touchpad driver and select Uninstall Device. Next, navigate to and expand the System Devices category. Find your specific driver, which in my case is Intel Serial I/O I2C Host Controller, and uninstall it. After you uninstall the appropriate devices, restart your computer so Windows can automatically reinstall the latest touchpad drivers for your computer. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.